Right, November 1st, we are working to get the inner shield off of the wheel well so I can access the last of the rubber sections of the fuel line. We've run into a little roadblock here. This last bolt up in here, you can see it, is not cooperating. But we will get it loose and get this thing out of here so we can move forward. So stay tuned. Close up of the bolt. Basically, we got the inner shield flange, and looks like the flange for the fender, and then the inner fender flange all come together, and that bolt goes through and through all those pieces. It keeps deflecting as I put the wrench on it, so we'll see. As a result of not being able to get that bolt loose at the top of the inner splash shield, I ended up having to grind off the head of the bolt, and obviously I've taken away some of the mounting flange. I will sort that out later. That bolt just wouldn't budge no matter what I did to it, so drastic action was required. So my next challenge is getting this corner out from behind the fender. I'm not sure, it doesn't seem like there's an attachment in there. It looks like maybe things are just wedged together. So with a little gentle persuasion, I was able to get the panel out of there. It was wedged in down in this area. You can see here's the last piece of rubber fuel hose that I need to replace. You see how the fuel hose wraps up and over, curves, and then heads forward, and then jumps up underneath to the fuel pump. So next step, get the old hose out of there, put the new one in, clean it all up, and put it back together. Inner shield all buttoned up, new rubber fuel hose installed. Should have got a shot of that before I did. Sorry about that, guys. But anyways, she should be continuous all the way from the fuel tank to the fuel pump now. And next step is going to be to see if we're getting fuel pressure, good vacuum in there, and then on to the next step.